Hello students, I hope you all are good. Students, now you will be having your first term exam very soon, so study hard, okay? And today in this video, we are going to do revision. Revision. So the first question is, put the greater sign, less than sign or is equal to sign. Okay students, the first we have numbers 295 and 210. Can you tell me which number is greater, 295 or 210? Tell me students. Yes, 295. So, put the greater sign towards 295 like this. Okay. Next. Now tell me which is greater, 757 or 850? Tell me which is greater. See the hundreds place? Here we have 7 and here we have 8. Tell me which is greater? 8. That means 850 is greater than 757. So put the greater sign towards 850. Okay. Next. 309 or 309. Which is greater? No. Both are equal, right? So put is equal to sign like this. Okay, 309 is equal to 309. Next, 521 or 474. Which is greater? Yes, 521. So put greater sign like this. Okay. Now, next question is, write the number names. Alright. Here, I have given you some numbers over here. Here, you will write them in words. Okay. First, we have 486. Now, let's write the units first. Ones, tens, hundred. Okay. Here, 4 is in hundreds place. So, write 400. F-O-U-R 400, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, 480, T-I-G-H-E-Y 80, 6, S-I-X 6, 486. Okay, 566, 500, F-I-V-E 500, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, 566, 66, S-I-X 6, 566. Okay students? Next is, write the even numbers between 20 to 30. Okay students, as you know, even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Right? So let's write even numbers between 20 to 30. Right? We have 20. Tell me the next even number after 20. Yes, 22. Very good. Then after 22, the next number will be even number 24. Very good. 24. Then the next number after 4, 6. That means 26. The next we have after 6, 8. 28. Then we have 30. That means even numbers between 20 to 30 is 22, 24, 26, 28. Okay. Now next, write the odd numbers between 20 to 30. Now here, you will write the odd numbers between 20 to 30. Okay students? As you know, odd numbers end with 1, yes, 3, yes, 5, 7 and 9. Right? So let's write the odd numbers between 20 to 30. First, now tell me, after 20, the odd number will be Yes, 21. After 21, yes, 2, 3, 23. After 23, next odd number, yes, 2, 5, 25. Very good. Next, after 25, we have, yes, 2, 7, 27. Then next we have, after 27, yes, 29, then 30. That means the odd numbers between 20 to 30 are 21, 23, 25, right? 27 and 29. Okay, students. Next question we have, what comes after? Here you have to write the numbers that comes after the given number. Okay. First we have 285. Now tell me, what comes after 285? Tell me, students. Yes, 286. So right here 286. Right. What comes after 748? Yes, 749. So right here 749. Okay. Next, what comes in between? So here you will write the numbers that comes in between. Okay. First we have, what comes in between 532 and 534? What comes after 532? Yes, 533. Next, what comes in between 500 and 502? What comes after 500? Yes, 501. 501 comes in between 500 and 502. Okay. Next, write the numbers in expanded form. Okay. First we have 464. As you can see, 4 is under 1's place, 6 is under 10's place, and 4 is under 100's place. Let's expand them. Here 4 is under 100's place. As you know, 100 having 2 zeros, right? So that means 400 plus here 6. 10 having 1 0, that means 60. And here once, that means number itself 4. 464. 464. Okay. Next, 222. That means 200, right? Plus 2 tens 20 plus 2 ones 2. This is your expanded form. Okay. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means going up. That means arranging numbers from the smallest to the largest numbers. Right? Okay. Here we have numbers 162, 210, 108, 367 and 250. Can you find the smallest number? Here we have 108 and 162. So tell me which is the smallest? Smaller one? Yes, 108. Then we have 162. This is done. This is also done. Now here, after 1, we have 200. That means 210. Then this is also done. And here we have 367 and 250. Which is smaller? 250. So write 250. And last 367. Okay. Next. Here we have 504, 727, 780, 421 and 536. Now let's find the smallest number. Here we have 421, smallest one. 421. Then here we have 504 and 536. 536. Tell me which is smallest? 504 or 536? Yes, 504. Right? 504. Then 536. Right. 536. Okay, now tell me which is smaller, 727 or 780? Which one is smaller? Yes, 727. 727. Then plus 780. Okay, students? Next, write in descending order. Descending means going down. That means arranging numbers from the largest to the smallest number. Okay? The first we have 218, 115, 200, 307 and 410. Now, tell me the largest number. 218, 115, 200, 207, 410. 410. Right here. 410. After that, yes, 307. 307. After that, smaller than 307. Yes, 218. 218. From this, which one is greater? 200. So, write 200. The last 150. The smallest one. Okay. Next, we have 550, 324, 120, 368 and 135. Tell me the largest number. Yes, 550. 550. Okay. The next, between 324 and 368. Which is greater? Yes, 368. 368. Then, after that, 324. Very good. Now tell me which is greater, 120 or 135? Yes, 135. Very good. The last 120. Okay. Okay. Next, add the following. Okay, students. Now let's add 286 plus 348. Let's add them. So first we will add the ones column. Okay. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. Which is greater? 8. So keep 8 in your head. 8 and counting to 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 here. 4 under 1's place. And 1 tens. And carry 1 tens to the tens column. Here, 1. Okay, now let's add the tens column. 8 plus 4 plus 1. Now keep 8 in your head and count to 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So write 3 under tens place and carry 1 hundredths to the hundredths column. Here. Okay. Now let's add 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. That means 634 is the answer. Right? Next. Now here add 146 plus 485 plus 203. Okay. Now let's add the ones column first. Let's add 6 plus 5 first. Now keep 6 in your head and count to 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3, 11. Count to 3, 12, 13, 14. That means write 4 under 1's place and carry 1 tens to the tens column. Here, 1, 4, 40. Now add the tens column. 4 plus 8 plus 1. Here 0 means nothing. Okay. So keep 8 in your head and count to 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 1, 30. So write 3 under tens column and carry 1 hundreds to the hundreds column. Here 1, 3, 30. Okay. Now add the hundreds column. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 834 is the answer. Okay. Students, on page number 4646, question number 10 says a maths book has 27 questions in chapter 1, 42 questions in chapter 2 and 19 questions in chapter 3. So how many questions are there in all? So in chapter 1 we have how many questions? 27. So here 27. Alright. And in chapter 2 we have 42. 42 questions. And in chapter 3 we have 19 questions. So how many questions are there in all? What will you do? We will add. Okay. We will add them. Okay. Let's write the units, ones, tens. Okay. Now let's add the ones column. 7 plus 2 plus 9. Here we have 9, the greater number, right? So keep 9 in your head and count to 2. 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Now keep 11 in your head and count to 7. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So write 8 under ones place and carry 1 tens to the tens column like this. Okay. Now add the tens column. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So write 8 under tens column. That means there are 88 questions in all. Right? Okay. So students, that's all for today. Till then, keep practicing. Stay safe, stay home, and all the best for your exam. Thank you.